Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a cartoon wishbone. So to start with our wishbone, we're just going to begin with the shape. So I'm going to start right down here and I'm going to draw a line that kind of curves down and then kind of back up like this. Then I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes around and then it's just going to kind of curve in. And then I'm just going to do the same thing on this line, kind of curve out, and then kind of curve in like this. Then I'm just going to curve down, and then I'm going to go in. And then I'm just going to kind of keep curving this in and just right to about there. Then starting here, I'm just going to curve up. And then right here, I'm just going to curve down. And then just kind of go all the way to there. Okay. Then I'm going to add a little line right there. And then I'm going to add a little line right here. Put a little curved line right there. And then two little lines right there. Then I'm going to make a little line right here. Then I'm just going to put a little face on it just to be funny. So I'm going to make 2 circles right here for eyes. And then I'm going to add a little line across. And then just make a little line that goes back up like this. And a little curved line for a tongue. Then I'm just going to color in this part of the mouth. And I'm just going to put a little pupil here and then a little pupil right there. And then I'm just going to draw 2 little lines right here for some eyebrows. And give it a little chin. And there you go. There's your drawing of a cartoon wishbone. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.